Circle to Search is absolutely amazing because you can literally find anything on any screen without even leaving that app. So what's great about Circle to Search is you could be on any app on your phone, like on Instagram, you're scrolling through and you like the look of something, well you can search directly on the app. So what you need to do is just hold down your home button and AI will analyze the screen and then just circle an item that you want to look for, and instantly on that page itself, without going off the app like you do on Google Lens, all your search results are in that app. And then once you've finished searching, you can literally just swipe that away and continue browsing. And this will also work on things like your camera. So let's say you see someone out and about and they're wearing a nice pair of glasses. Launch your camera, long press the home button to launch Circle to Search, and then I'm just going to circle my glasses just like that there. And there we go. Instantly, those results have come up on my camera. And you can also even add to your search, so you can type in a question about your search and results will pop up. Surprisingly pretty accurate. Go and check it out yourself. Circle to Search.